how to check your PC specifications on your Windows 10 or 11. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily check your PC specifications on your Windows 10 or 11 laptop. So let's get started. First thing, just head over to your search bar, or you can also type in this PC right over here. If you're using Windows 11, you may not see this PC option, so you just have to head over to your file explorer and find it. And for Windows 10, you can simply come over to this PC option and simply right click and click on properties. So once you click on its properties, it will direct you to this page. So from over here you can basically see all of your details, like your specifications, your device specifications over here, like device name, processor, installed RAM, graphics card, storage, device ID, product ID, system type, which is whether it is a 32-bit operating system or 64-bit operating systems, and it will even show you if your device is available for pen or touch or not. So another way you can also see the specification in detail is you can simply hit the Windows plus R keyboard combination on your keyboard and simply search in for this option, that is DXDIAG. So once you search in for that, it will redirect you to this window or this tab. You can simply come over to check out all of your computer specifications over here as well. So as you can see, you can also even check out the display options or information from over here, your graphics card information, renderer option, and sound as well as input option as well. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.